This is it, the iPhone 12 Pro Max, the biggest, most expensive iPhone, touted by Apple as the ultimate iPhone for camera nerds, and that's me. And I've been checking out the past few days, taking early morning and late night shots because Apple says this phone is really good in low light. Is it? So there are a lot of words that Apple will tell you about why this is the must-have iPhone, but before we get into that, let's look at some pictures. The max selling points from Apple include bigger image pixels for improved low light performance and a better zoom lens. The zoom is what's most notable. It'll get you to 65mm, which may sound like a number, but it's a lot closer. Most pros use what's called a 24-70 zoom lens. This camera, this phone, will now give you a 20-65, which is awfully close, and I paid $2,500 for my zoom lens. You can see in the shot of my cat, Jinxie, the difference in range between the 12 Pro and Max. And it's so sharp, let's blow it up. So Apple claims this iPhone has the best image stabilization of any of the iPhones, but is it really? Let's compare it to the 12 Pro and see how that does. So here it is, the exact same shot on the iPhone 12 Pro, which is the cheaper model selling for $999. What do you think, folks? Oh! The bottom line is that the Max is a pretty great phone, an amazing camera, if you can get used to having such a monster in your hands. It's really big. Night vision. Hold still as they shoot a series of multiple exposures, and that's why they're able to transform a dark scene into something that looks like that, which is pretty darn amazing. It's not perfect. It messed up on this early morning shot of a local restaurant. See how the writing of the sign ended up bleeding into the image? Most times it works pretty well, as in this shot of a local function, which was in the total dark. But as good as most of the footage in the dark is, it's not always there and doesn't always work. This shot, which was taken at around 6:30 p.m., is awfully grainy.
3, 2, 1, go Bella.
We still love our cameras, we still need them for sports, with school plays, stopping the action, but gosh, in situations like this, I'm sure glad I've got an iPhone in my pocket. I'm Jefferson Graham. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Look for me on Twitter, Instagram, right here on YouTube, where I'm at Jefferson Graham, and I'll see you on the next Photowalk. Bye-bye. Amazing. Ah, wasn't it?